In this video, I'll show you how you can hide your logo on your Squarespace website. In order to hide your logo from your Squarespace website, we need to add some custom code. So come into the pages, click on the website tools. From there, navigate into the custom CSS. And in the description below, there is a code snippet that you need to copy and paste into this field right here as such. And as you can see, the logo actually disappeared right away from the navigation, both from the desktop and also from the mobile view. This code basically targets the header title and also the header title logo and puts a display none with a important tag on it. That, in very simple terms, is how you hide your logo from your Squarespace website if you want to do that, both on the desktop and also the mobile version. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want me to build a Squarespace website, the links are down in the description. And as always, have a great day.